finding it so far?
Oh, I'm loving so much. It's been a unique experience. It's so easy. The only concern is like if I get lost in here, how I will find my friends because so many people.
That's a very good question. So what if you get lost? I'll tell you, follow me. How are you going to find yourself? So in case you're lost, look at that mosque there, right? There's only one around Marrakech, which is very tall. So if you're lost, tell your friends to come around there.
Okay, perfect.
That's the best way to find your friends and family in Marrakech. Does that make any sense?
Yes, thank you for that.
It's because it's very easy to spot and it's very easy to find because you can see during the daytime or nighttime and you can just tell them to come there. That's how I've been finding my clients so far. You know, when they get lost, I tell them to just get there and that's the easiest way to find it. Does that help?
Yes, super.
And guess who we finding it there?
Sorry?
Who we finding there now?
Oh, we are finding all our friends now.
Exactly. We're gonna go there and find rest of people. There are about 4 of them. Ready? Yes, my friend. Hello.
No, that's another one. There are different types.
They're still juices. It's that easy to get lost in Marrakech Square. Sorry, my English is not Englishing anymore. It's a massive place, as you can see, a lot of people all around you. So if you feel like you're lost, the best way to find yourself is to tell your friends to come to mosque, which is called Koutoubia Mosque, or come to KFC, because there's only one KFC around here and there's only one big mosque here, which is called Koutoubia Mosque. और की तरह रोड क्रॉस करने हैं आपने बच्चों जबरदस्ती force yourself yes thank you very much that's how we do that's the Pakistani way sir नहीं है ना कोई दूसरी ऑप्शन नहीं है